Properties of chord of a circle. So we'll start with the first property. The perpendicular drawn from the center of a circle to its chord bisects the chord. According to this property, a perpendicular drawn from the center. So a perpendicular is drawn from the center. This is the center. We'll name this as O. So O is the center, and a perpendicular is drawn. We'll name this point as M. So if the perpendicular is drawn from the center of a circle to its chord, it bisects the chord. That means it divides the chord into two equal parts. So here O is the center. Then according to this property, OM is perpendicular to chord AB. If it is perpendicular, that means it bisects the chord. That means AM is equal to MB. So it divides the circle into two equal parts. That means M is the midpoint of the chord AB. So this is the first property. Second property, the segment joining the center of a circle and midpoint of its chord is perpendicular to the chord. That means here it is saying that the segment joining the center and the midpoint, so we'll consider M as the midpoint of the chord PQ, and if we join these two points, this segment will be perpendicular to this chord PQ. So this is actually the contradictory of property 1, wherein we learned how this perpendicular drawn from the center of the circle to its chord bisects the chord. That means M becomes the midpoint. Here it is saying that if the segment is joined from the center of the circle to the midpoint, then it is perpendicular.